Good morning. This is Sam Walters, Operations Officer with the Florida State Watch Office, and this is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for 8 January 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a Level 3 or monitoring activation status. Nuclear power reactors at Turkey Point, St. Lucie, Crystal River, and Farley are all operating at 100% capacity. All major airports and seaports are reporting no major issues at this time. And now to Amy Godsey for a weather brief.
Thank you, Sam. The cold front which passed through the Florida Peninsula on Wednesday is now located over the Florida Straits and the Bahamas, with a few lingering isolated showers near South Florida. A drier and cooler air mass will move into the region today behind the front and will elevate the wildfire risk this afternoon across much of the state. A red flag warning is in effect for many Florida counties, except for coastal locations along the west coast south of Tampa and across far southern areas of South Florida. These red flag warnings are in effect due to expected long durations of low humidity values combined with breezy winds. A secondary weak and dry frontal boundary will sweep through the state tonight, bringing another small surge of cool and dry air for Friday, and a fire weather watch is in effect for the Florida Panhandle, Big Bend, and Northeast Florida Peninsula for expected red flag conditions on Friday afternoon. Otherwise today, high pressure of the central Gulf of Mexico will extend eastward across Florida, resulting in mostly sunny skies and dry conditions with temperatures around normal levels. Another round of breezy winds will develop by this afternoon, mainly across north and central Florida, ahead of the second front, although those won't be as strong as those winds seen on Wednesday. Winds will increase out of the west around 15 miles an hour today, with gusts up to 20 to 30 miles an hour possible. And a lake wind advisory is in effect for the eastern Florida Panhandle, Florida Big Bend, and northeast Florida Peninsula through this evening. The winds are then expected to decrease later tonight as the front sweeps through and high pressure moves closer to the state. Those strong west winds this afternoon, combined with lingering ocean swells, will again result in higher surf along Gulf Coast beaches and also result in a moderate to high risk of rip currents at Florida Panhandle, eastern Big Bend, and west central Florida beaches today. For drought conditions, the statewide Keach Byram Drought Index average for the state of Florida is now 521 on a scale of 0 to 800. KBDI values are expected to decrease slightly through the next week due to recent rainfall from Wednesday's cold front. Scattered showers expected with another cold front on Friday and Saturday, and then again with another cold front on Tuesday. However, KBDI values in the long range are expected to remain elevated in the 500 to 700 range. Now back to operations.
With an elevated rip current risk expected today, residents and visitors to Florida beaches are encouraged to check local beach conditions before entering the water. Check forecasted beach conditions ahead of time from the National Weather Service at www.ripcurrents.noaa.gov/forecast.shtml. Upon arriving to your destination, check with local beach patrol or lifeguards about existing water conditions. If no lifeguard is on duty, look for warning flags or signs. If winds are strong or the surf is rough, avoid going into water above your knees. If caught in a rip current, do not panic. Swim left or right parallel to the shoreline until free from the current. Then swim at an angle towards the shore. Remember, don't fight, swim left or right. That's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Thursday, January 8th, 2009. For further information and to learn more about how you can get a plan, please visit www.floridadisaster.org. Have a safe day.